Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the camera app because this is the only way that reliably gives you the circle search on this device. Once done, swipe to More and choose Google Lens. Make sure you grant camera and storage permissions so Lens can analyze images. You do this now, not later, so the tool can access the phone view. If Lens isn't visible, tap the three dots or the mode list to reveal it, then select Lens and proceed to Live View. You now use the circle selection inside Google Lens to target the exact object. Tap the capture or selection icon, then draw a circle around the item you want to search. Be precise, because Lens analyzes only what's inside the circle. Pinch to resize or drag the handles to refine the edges. This improves accuracy. Once the circle tightly frames the subject, tap Search. The phone sends just that circled area for recognition, so you finish by reviewing the Lens results. Tap any match to see details, shopping links, or web pages. If results aren't useful, retake the photo with better lighting, a closer frame, or a tighter circle that usually fixes recognition errors. If the circle selection won't appear, make sure the Google app and Lens are updated. Clear Lens app data and restart the phone if needed. These steps restore the circle-only search path on your Redmi Note 14 Pro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.